What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JB. We don't save, we invest. We're going to talk about Bitcoin and Bitcoin Trust and how you can buy something now that's cheap instead of buying tons of money and investing a lot in Bitcoin. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. If I've showed you any support in your journey or any knowledge, subscribe to the channel and look at the link below and subscribe, and you'll get 2 free stocks with the Webull account. And then if you deposit more than $100, you can get up to 2 more free stocks valued at $3,700. It's your boy JB. We don't save, we invest. Many of you guys are wondering, what is Gbtc? Gbtc is a Bitcoin investment trust. Now, this follows Bitcoin. As Bitcoin goes up, Gbtc will go up. This investment, as you read here, each share currently represents ownership of approximately 0.092 Bitcoin. That will slowly decrease over time as management fees are charged to the fund. There is some management fees with this fund. What does it cost to own Bitcoin investment? It says the 2% of the fund's assets. You got to pay 0.25% per year to invest in physical gold stored in underground vaults. Assuming it costs more to keep Bitcoin safe than it does to keep gold safe. Now, this is similar to owning Bitcoin. It is, but it's not. In theory, Bitcoin investment trusts should generally rise in value when Bitcoin rises and fall when Bitcoin falls. Now, this is currently the only one that you can invest in now, trust, right now. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, don't worry about Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin itself, we know the fluctuations, the volatility with it, how it's spiked, it doubled since December. It's been going up and it's spiking down, but because people are selling off because of the high, hit a new all-time high. So this is normal for the stock market. But you can buy in Gbtc, and Kathy Woods of ARK Invest has bought in to Gbtc. If you look at her different funds, so this is great for you to invest in also at a cheaper cost. The trust popularity is to blame for its rather unpredictable performance. Everything is unpredictable. The Bitcoin investment trust can also potentially outcoin Bitcoin when investors pile in. So you can look at this for yourself and do more research and dive deeper in. But now if we go here to the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, ticker symbol GBTC, we can see here it's currently sitting at $39.34. Now look, July, $12, and to where it's at now. It hit a high of $45 on January 7th. So apparently, and as we see visually from evidence-based, because everything is evidence-based, the stock market, we're not going to go on our own, oh, this, that. No, we ain't doing that. We're going off of the stock market and what it says and what it shows. It almost 4x'd from July to January 7th. And then you had Bitcoin fell a little bit, and then you had it spiked back up. And this is good for the stock because as Bitcoin investors, the bulls, foresee Bitcoin going to 300, 400,000 potentially by the end of 2021. This stock, if that 10x, this has the potential to 10x. So you see how it's $40. If this 10x's, it will go to $400 and Bitcoin will go to 400,000. So we got to look at it like that, right? Because this emulates Bitcoin. It follows after Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, increases, it goes up. If it decreases, it goes down. So now we're going to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down 4.3% for the day. It's currently at $36,183. Everybody heard about Bitcoin and its volatility and all the stuff that it's doing, but it's good because institutions are seeing how great of an investment it is. Now, you can't forget, guys, you can't forget everybody that's watching the videos, all my followers, all the people that watch, that want to understand and learn that I'm not a financial advisor, but this is for entertainment purposes. I'm not an educator, but this is just knowledge. For all you guys out there watching and gals, don't forget, as you know, the government keeps making this paper money, right? And we understand inflation, and we understand what's going on, and we understand that the value of the dollar is not, it's not going to be worth as much. So what is the other alternative? Many people are putting their money in the crypto world instead of saying, okay, I'm going to leave this money over here. No, they're invested into the crypto world because not many institutions are in on this yet, but they will be, right? So as that happens, if the institutions accept 3 to 5% of Bitcoin, Bitcoin will go up to the 300 to 400,000. Now, mind you, this is the start of something massive. This is not, something that just, it just happened. No, this is going to be happening, and it's going to be amazing. Imagine Bitcoin in 2025. You can look at previous videos I have on Bitcoin, and when I did when Bitcoin broke 20,000, and I broke it down. This Bitcoin will break eventually 300,000, whether people want to believe it or not. Kathy Woods, I did a video on Kathy Woods. She's bought over $54 million into Bitcoin. I can't imagine what she's still buying now. Guys, don't forget, a lot of these institutions understand on making money and the principles of making money. So we're going to look at Bitcoin today. And it started off at 39,000, was high, and it went down. It's part of volatility. It's part of, we heard about the new stimulus talks yesterday. So clearly Bitcoin didn't have a positive result from it. It had a negative result from it. But this is just something, the bears are getting their shine right now. But that's good because it shows you guys and myself that this is a great buying opportunity. Bitcoin is a great buying opportunity. And like I said, you can buy Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which mimics this, or you can buy Bitcoin itself. Now, you don't have to buy a whole coin for 36,000. Many people can't afford that. We're going to talk on a real level because I'm a realist, right? You can buy a tenth of it if you have it. You can buy 1/10 of a tenth. You can put in $100. You can put in, but the goal is to put in continually, for a long-term basis. You can put in 50 every 2 weeks, which is $100 a month. And then at the end of the year, you'll have $1,200. You could put in half your stimulus. You see what I'm saying? So keep your eye on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on them. Grayscale Bitcoin, ticker symbol Gbtc, is amazing also for you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my stock price prediction. I see it 10xing. A lot of volatility. There's ups and downs, but you got to continue to invest and you'll see a great return. Subscribe to the channel. It's your boy JB. I love y'all. We don't save, we invest. I'm out.